Like a taco or something. Don't take the onions and just eat them.
Yeah,
The
that's
raw
good.
onions. That's right, you.
Bella?
Now I gotta wipe my glasses again.
Eat some more, Jim. Get those. Throw them in the garbage now. Oops.
Oh, I get to dress up me. Now I get to dress up me. Now I get to dress up myself. Now I'm just singing myself into here. Here. Is it still working?
I don't know, I'm trying it.
I change. How can I have it? I'll change. No, I need the bill, okay? I'll change. That's not for you. I'll change. That's not for it.
Move over there by the door, Kimmy, so I can tape you. Just to see if it, I'm seeing if it works only. That's good. Okay, no, do what you want to do. Share it with Monong, Billy.
Okay. Yeah. Can I smell good? Yeah.
It seems like it's working.
He?
I don't know. I have to still try it.
One. Google. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Bill. How are you, Jip?
Hi. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Jip.
Bye. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Goody. Oh, goody. Goody. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Oh, goody.
What?
Oh, goody. Goody. Goody.
Go tell Mommy, Billy. Tell Mommy Monong's getting dressed.
No. I do that so I'm not celebrating.
And who are you?
A mailman.
A mailman? Oh, my.
Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. No. Hey, dog. Goody. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. It doesn't work.
What?
The camera.
Why?
Do you see me?
I'm trying to look. Maybe you better do something for me to take a picture if I can. Maybe you can do a postman dance over there and by Daddy's throne. Hey, that's my hat. Hey, you mailman, where's your hat?
I don't know.
Oh my. You better get your hat, mailman.
No? Alright. Dad,
Go show mommy.
Oh, GB.
Hi, Jim and Jama.
Double.
Pajama.
Jama. Jama.
Don't touch.
Jama.
Don't touch. Where's your nose? Oh, there it is, you crazy girl.
Can you see my nose?
I can see your nose, but hardly I can see your eyes almost, no. Oh, there you are. Hey, you're Kimmy. You're not a mailman, you're my girl.
I'm a mailman too. Hello. Because I don't want to be under the sun, that's why.
Oh.
Hey, that's the sun. I see it. Hey, see a little dog. Mommy, go Goody. No, Goody. Under this hat. Oh no. Hey, Daisy. Ow, Daisy. So, Daisy, no. No. Pants on.
What happened, Mr. Mailman?
Don't put my pants down.
Hey, what happened to your knickerbockers, Knickerbocker?
Don't take my whole thing off. I'm a poster man. I'm a poster man. I'm a poster man. Hey, no one does anything else to hand. Okay, I'll try to do this. Hey!
They're supposed to be outside, Billy. Put those outside.
Get your other leg. Okay.
Put them outside, Jippy. Okay? Thank you. Bring Daisy with you. Say, doggy, come on.
Mom. Hey, don't worry. Yeah. Come here. Come here, Mr. Mailman. Come here, Mr. Mailman.
Yes, Mama?
How come you call Debbie?
She'll be on vacation.
Oh, Debbie.
She'll be on vacation. What are you cooking, Mrs. Owen? Is it pan-sit, man-sit? What's your recipe for that favorite food we all like to eat? What's your secret? Can we all know that?
I don't know.
Let me take a picture of my wall and my undies.
Honey, get inside of the candy right now. Get inside here, huh? You're ashamed. Honey. Run.
Hey, Mrs. Owen, with your bunion. Stand there, let me come back and I'll get you a picture. So, Mrs. Lourdes Owen, how do you feel now?
Good, Billy.
Huh? You like it?
That's just my throat for a while. It's gonna be my throat for a while. See that? Pretty good, huh? Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Daddy.
Say I'm eating corn.
You eat, Daddy. I'm eating corn. Daddy!
Is it hot?
Yeah,
What's it burning? Your fingers?
yeah.
Let me see. Eat some more.
Hi, Daddy. Look, Dad.
What is it?
Oh.
Oh.
Hot?
What about that Manang? What's that Manang doing? How come she didn't say hello to me yet?
Hi.
Oh boy, let me just close up your nose. What are you eating?
Corn and potatoes and
And meat. What kind of meat?
It's steak.
steak.
Make no mistake.
Huh?
And Mommy didn't say hello to me yet. Let's take a look at your foot, Mama.
I think I walked too much today. It's swollen.
Come on, Mom.
Some more what?
Here. Come on.
Some more what?
Come on.
What? Soda? Say please. I don't know. Okay, there's a little bit. Okay? Oh, slow down. Oh.
Not Daddy. Look, Daddy.
This way.
I didn't sweat too much. You feel me?
I'm gonna take a bath for you and Daddy's gonna give you a bubble bath. Daddy won't. Okay, well I'll tell Daddy that.
Ask me what? What's this, Kimmy?
Tell Daddy.
I don't want water on my eyes.
You don't?
No,
How come?
because.
I thought it was fun to have water in your eyes.
No.
Are you spoofing?
Huh?
What happens if I put water in your eyes?
I'm gonna cry.
But honey, that's how we do it.
Mommy doesn't.
How come Mommy doesn't do it but Daddy does?
Ah, no.
Because you're.
Because you finished the other corner already. True.
Because you're a brat.
You're not supposed to call your daddy a brat.
Billy, no. Come on. Want some more corn?
After I eat all of this thing, I don't want more.
Billy, that's a no-no. We're done? Okay, don't play.
Look. See? You see it? Huh? Daddy.
Hmm? What are you doing?
Hey.
Eat it!
Hey.
Are you eating?
Yeah.
You are? Well, what's in your mouth?
Gum.
Gum? Let me see. Yuck.
I don't see no gum.
Gum.
Corn is
Let's see it.
corn. 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 Going. Kill me.